Weather forecasters are warning of strong wind gusts and heavy rain across regions of Laos from September 13th to 15th. Strong winds are expected to affect the provinces of Khammuan, Savannakhet, Champassak, Saravan, Xekong and Attapeu, and also Vientiane, but are unlikely to be severe. The warning was issued by the Weather Forecasting and Aeronautical Meteorology Division of the Meteorology and Hydrology Department. The public is urged to take care and be alert in the possibility of falling trees and damage to houses and other buildings. Landslides may also occur along with flash flooding caused by heavy rain, and everyone is advised to listen to weather forecasts issued by the Meteorology and Hydrology Department. The warning comes after high winds were detected over the South China Sea yesterday. The storm is predicted to reach Da Nang on the Vietnamese coast this morning and to move across Laos this afternoon, with most of the effects felt in Xekong and Saravan provinces. An official from the Weather Forecasting and Aeronautical Meteorology Division said strong winds and heavy rain were likely in some central and southern regions from September 12 to 15. The division noted that gusting winds and rain passed over northern Laos in February this year and also affected the capital as well as the provinces of Phong Sa-Li, Hua Phan, Luang Nam Tha, Sieng Khwang, Udom Sai, Bo Kaeo, and Luang Prabang.